Now, let's move on to the step-by-step process of creating the no makeup look. Prep your skin. Start with clean, moisturized skin. Apply a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate your skin and allow it to absorb fully. Apply primer. Apply a thin layer of primer to create a smooth base and help your makeup stay in place. Tinted moisturizer or BB cream. Using your fingertips or a makeup sponge, apply a sheer layer of tinted moisturizer or BB cream evenly across your face. Focus on blending well and achieving an even skin tone. Concealer. Dab concealer onto any blemishes, redness, or under eye circles. Gently blend it in using your fingertip or a concealer brush for a seamless finish. Setting powder. Dust a minimal amount of translucent setting powder over your face, concentrating on areas where you tend to get oily. This step helps set your makeup without making it look cakey. Brow definition. Use a brow gel or pencil to groom and lightly define your eyebrows. Follow your natural brow shape and avoid harsh lines. Subtle eyeshadow. Apply a neutral eyeshadow shade to your eyelids for a soft, natural enhancement. Opt for shades close to your skin tone. Mascara. Apply mascara to your upper lashes to open up your eyes. Wiggle the wand at the roots and then comb through the lashes for a natural look. Blush. Smile slightly to locate the apples of your cheeks, and apply blush in a gentle, upward motion. Blend it well for a healthy flush of color. Lip balm. Finish the look with a nourishing lip balm or a tinted lip balm for a subtle hint of color. The no makeup look is all about embracing your natural beauty and enhancing it subtly. It's perfect for everyday wear, video conferences, or any occasion where you want to look effortlessly fresh-faced and radiant. With this tutorial, even beginners can master the art of the no makeup look, helping you feel confident and beautiful in your own skin.